Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Unong yalam ka TMC u Dr. Mukul sangma uloong baki MDC kaseng TMC kilaay ka Jingkyrshan ya ka Executive Committee balayalam da ka National People's Party ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kadai na kabanta ka Jingmentoy Jong Paidbah. U Dr. Mukul sangma uloong baka jinglong jingman harilom Garo kadawa bandon ya ka jingatrelang banwanra ya ka jingkala namar kalong kabadon kam. Ulay thuru ba nakapor syakapor uju ya kendu ya ki MDC kaseng banyakren halor ki mat jingdawa jang ki Paidbah. Bad kumnu ban jam syakmat. Ula banjur badai ban penbet ya ki mat ki bakongsan syaban penlong ya ki election syaka GHADC. Ula penpauru ya ki jing ban penlong ya ki election sya GHADC lada kimla ban penbet ni penkela ya ki kendon ki baladon lupa bad ban pen urlong ya ki jing dawa jang ki Paidbah. Ula penpau badan kam ban ya trailang Jong man la uwei pa uwei udukot jong ka GHADC kenang baka saudong sokun kandon ka jingsuk jingsan hapreng baro ringkat bat ka jingeteli. U Dr. Mukul uloong babaro ki MDC bala sya ajit kidon ka jingkit kli ban ya wanlang bat ban shim ikirai na kabenta ka jingmentoy jing ki Paidbah. Ula kentu ki dukot ban ya shim benta da ka jingeteli bat ban shim ikirai bat ki rukom trekam ki badon kam. Da ka babanjur ba omday ban pet ya unu nong mi khmat kum ka jingduna ne jing bakla ha ka ban bet ya kini ki jing dawa.
Now, as I have said, I have spoken to all the MDCs. I am speaking to my MDCs. I have spoken to my MDCs. Extraordinary situation requires extraordinary decision. This is needed at this juncture because if you may ask now, why during your time this effort to amend these rules were not put? You are not asking, so I will not reply. But today, what I'm saying is that can the election to Garo Hills Autonomous District Council be held without amending this existing rule, without complying to the demand of the people? No. So therefore, we would like to see that, okay, there's a conducive environment created for a mutual coexistence of our people across communities, that our people in future can live in harmony, progress and prosper in harmony. We share the same desire of ensuring that our state progress and prosper in a manner that we all desire, so that we leave behind a prosperous, progressive and peaceful state for our generation next.
So traditionally, there were no problems.
Somebody else's narrative, but then what is the intent that we have demonstrated? What is the intent? Is it a time to beat around the bush and not allow things what is to happen? Friends, it's not the time when we should be engaging in those kind of narratives. No. What do people expect from us? People expect that we demonstrate sense of responsibility and commitment to resolve issue. You see, our priority is not to shift from the issue. The moment you start pointing finger towards the government, then you'll be shifting the priority. So there is no space for Mukul Sama to play this to the gallery and shift the priority. I don't have. See, you have to understand one important thing. Is it the time to play to the gallery? For any politician for that matter. Is it the time? No. If anybody is doing so, I will advise him not to do so. Yes.
Referring to your
This particular decision, which is required to be taken collectively by all the elected MDCs of Garo Hills. Now, it is necessary and it is incumbent upon me and my team, my colleagues and my political party, that we engage with our MDCs and give them the honors of responsibility to put their hands together in adopting whatever resolutions are required, whatever procedures are required to be taken collectively as the elected MDCs of the current house of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. So it is an extraordinary situation which is considered as needed by us, and without that we would be seen as somebody who would be acting as a stumbling block. So no one, not even a single MDC elected by the people, must be seen as a stumbling block. I would like to appeal to all the MDCs once again, therefore, to come together and see that they unanimously take a decision in the House, in the district council, so that it will be on record.